Hi, good morning everyone. This is AMarkets daily review and my name is Maria. I'm here to present you our trading ideas of the day and of course to discuss what we had yesterday, what we did yesterday, what was a good idea for us on the currency market and of course with Monero, Bitcoin and so on. For news, you know, the day is pretty boring and the news background is moderate, but we still have what to trade, and for news we pay attention to USA. It will publish federal budget for January at 6 p.m. in GMT time. Pay attention that it's in GMT time. A report on the execution of the United States federal budget is ahead, but we also remember that on February 9 the Senate approved a new budget, and as a good news trigger, it will come to the highlights nearer to March 23rd. It is the period when Senate has to, when Congress must confirm or clarify the costs of the new budget. So today, what we do, we trade intraday currencies and so on, but closer to this time, I think I would advise to close intraday positions. The long-term and medium-term positions you can keep on. Well, let's go to charts and let's check out what we have for today. Euro dollar. Euro dollar, we have a range. This is a 4-hour chart. It's still in a range, but so far as the market showed us a good buyer near the level of support 1.2270, we stop our short positions, and for now for euro dollar we stay out of market and we wait for more news and for more technical signals. For now it is not clear what will be next. You see a range, but also you see a relative trade index which you use in ranges. And this indicator shows us that it's still not near the level of support, which is 30. The line 30 needs to be crossed, so we start to buy. Technically, it's, well, as far as I think, technically it's better to sell now, but here are no signals to sell the euro dollar intraday. Maybe if you open like 15 minutes chart, then you find some levels for you to trade, but for like 1 hour, 4-hour chart, for now it's not clear what we should do. So we leave this pair without us. Great Britain pound, we see United States dollar, it's still in downtrend, nothing changed. If we see the downtrend, then we decided that it will be better to sell currency pair. But for selling it, we need to see the rebound from the trend line. So far, it's still not clear what will happen next. Either the pair will just go down, either it will come to the trend line, then we see the rebound, it will go down. If we put an idea about future monetary policy of Great Britain, then as I think, yeah, the pair will should go up. So here won't be the rebound, and as far as I think, we will see the break of the trend line. But for now, it's still not. There are no signals, technical signals. So we'll leave this idea for now. And the currency pair is also without us, so we stay out of market. But we have some ideas for United States dollar versus Canadian dollar. First of all, pay attention to the zone of resistance. Yeah, here is a good zone on the daily chart. Pay attention to daily charts. Here is the level 1.2950 that the market can't break. And here is a good seller sitting near this level of resistance. Also, pay attention to the monetary policy. Here is a divergence between monetary policy of Canadian bank and American regulator. Market things already, and market puts an idea of raising up the interest rate into United States dollar, but the future changes in monetary policy of Canada, they're still not in a price of Canadian dollar. And this divergence between monetary policy, I think, will influence the pair to go down to 1.26 and closer to the middle of the year. It will be like June, July. I think we'll see the price near 1.23, but it will be later. For now, we see a technical rebound, and we sell this pair with a target 1.26. Next is Euro Australian dollar. Last week I showed you also a good level of resistance near 1.59, and now the price going down, so it was a good forecast, and I hope you already are all in plus. For now the target is 1.5550. You see the trend line for 2017, the whole year. Here is the trend line, and first target for us is this trend line, which will be near level 1.5550. And now we are going to coins. What's up here? Look, this is Monero. I will remind you the trend line from December 2017. Here was a trend line. Last week we told you to sell near the trend line. I hope you did it. So now we are in a plus, and we closed our selling. Now what we should do, I think it's not a bad idea to try to work in the range. Here is a small range I show you now. I show you the range on 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart, what it will be more comfortable for you to trade. Here is the range with the support 235, and a level of resistance is 280. Trade it. So you sell near the level of resistance, and you buy near the level of support. Next, you see the Zcash. Here is also a range. Support level 250, level of resistance 285. Trade this range. Sell near the resistance and buy near the level of support. This is an idea, I think, for the whole week, but we'll check it every day, of course. Then the Ripple, we are still in a long positions for Ripple. I will remind you that we bought it last week. We were selling it, and then we bought it, and now we are still in long positions with it. Target 0.86. For entering new positions, you can use the current price 0.7850, and the target is 0.8630. Then Ethereum is also in long positions for us. We think the target still is 770. For new positions, you can use current price. You buy it now for 700. The price is 700, and target 770. Ethereum Classic, well, also here is a long positions. On Friday, check out our videos. We advised you to buy it. Yeah, and still it's staying in the long positions, but I wouldn't say that it's so clear that the Ethereum will go up, Ethereum Classic. For now, if you want to enter buys and buy this coin, you should put your stop loss under the minimum of today. So the current price is 17.95, and the stop loss will be like 740, not more. The price for you to target is 2080. And next, BTC Euro. You see the BTC Euro is not the best now to trade. On daily chart, here is a signal that we retested the trend line. Here was a downtrend, then the breakdown of the trend line, and now we retested it. So here is a good, I would say that here is a good point to enter and buy it. Well, with the target 8,120. Or 8,750. Here is two targets. About the stop loss, if you enter market now for BTC Euro, then you put stop loss under the minimum of last week. And that is for now, I would say, a good strategy to trade for Monday. Well, I wish you all a profitable week. And I think that our ideas are useful for you, so please thumbs up and of course join the channel. Have fun and have a good profitable day. Bye bye.